It's so beautiful out here, y'all. Ain't no thunderstorms, no tornadoes yet, so we finna hit a couple. I'm grown up now, 3 daughters of my own. I let them drive my old Jeep across the pasture at our home. Except for one thing, I ain't got 3 little girls. And I ain't got no Jeep. And I ain't got no pasture soul. All right, y'all. Got about 147 downhill. I ain't no muscle man. So I got the old 8 iron out, y'all. I really don't even care about where I'm hitting it, y'all. I'm just kind of working on my ball striking and consistency. I don't know if y'all saw the video with Scotty and Tiger talking about taking divots. That changed my life, y'all, because I always wondered, like, damn, I don't ever throw no chunky divot out there. You ain't got to, folks. Play your game. Not too shabby. Uh-oh. Here's the deal, y'all. Starting to rain a little too hard. I'm probably gonna have to shake the spot. Some of y'all might watch this video and be like, he's wearing slides. He's smoking bud. He's extremely good looking, you know, things like that. But man, I ain't nobody special, y'all. I'm just trying to get to where I can hit the ball cleanly on a consistent basis, shave a few strokes off the game, and I'm also trying to have a little fun, y'all. Y'all holler at me. I'll see you on the course pretty soon, y'all. I'm out of here. One more for the road. And it's a beaut.